This is Chris at the Marietta Military Cemetery in Marietta, Georgia. In front of me is the monument from the state of Wisconsin dedicated to the Badger State soldiers who fought in the American Civil War, of whom 405 are buried here at the Marietta Military Cemetery. The inscription reads, "Dedicated to the memory of Wisconsin soldiers who gave their lives in defense of the Union, 1861 to 1865. 405 belonging to the following regiments are buried here: 1st Cavalry, 5th Battery Light Artillery, 5th Battery Light, 6th Battery Light Artillery, 10th Battery Light Artillery, 12th Battery Light Artillery, 1st Infantry, 3rd Infantry, 10th Infantry, 12th Infantry, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th Infantry, 21st, 22nd Infantry, 24th, 25th, 26th Infantry, 31st Infantry, and the 32nd Infantry regiments from Wisconsin. 405 soldiers who left Wisconsin, a peaceful place, to come down here and defend the Union and end the institution of slavery. 405 of them never returned home, buried here.